Hey, Jason. Y'all.
Benz.
What the heck? Oh. Hi, Benz.
Robbie, look.
Trying to walk through the snow?
You didn't know we were in the backyard?
I did not know you were in the backyard. Robbie Ann acted like she never seen snow before. Oh! That caught my face. Woo!
I can't.
Benz can't make it through the front. Oh! Oh God! The snow keeps ricocheting on my face.
It's so bad in my chest. But
Hi, Bo! These fools. Whoa! Come here. Come. Come. Stand up. Oh my gosh. Y'all, Boaz is not a fan of the snow.
Whose glove is that?
Come.
Ready?
What glove? Oh, that's mine. I think, yeah. Come, Bo, we'll watch. Jason just throwing people around.
Everybody right now. Come on. I'm about to go Super Saiyan.
Hey guys, say hi. Bo, look. Ugh, look. Not there. Okay. Hey guys, it's the blizzard of 2015. It's type cold. What day is today, mommy? What day is today? Oh, today's 27th. It's Tuesday.
I'm tired.
And we're outside. Daddy's actually working. He's shoveling snow. Over there. Jason keeps shoving people's kids. Jason keeps shoving people in the snow. What's going on? Bo is not a fan, mommy. Bo does not want to be out here. Yeah, but he don't want the snow to touch him. I think it's too cold. He said pull her.
That's not much work.
Stand. What happened? And guess who's watching from the window? My mother. She refused to come outside.
I'm tired.
You're not coming in this house?
No, I'm not.
Guys, my hands are cold.
Oh.
Oh, man.
Jason tried to injure us.
More than a foot of snow.
Y'all, Buzz is not having it. You okay, Bo? Bo is like, forget y'all. My hand is freezing. I'll catch y'all later. Bye.
Hold on. Whoa! Come again, come again.
Oh my gosh! One more time.
Show me right here. You got one more time?
One more time. Hurry up. Bo. I'm annoying.
Are you talking about me? You working hard, Teddy?
I should have asked them. I should have paid those to clean this.
Nah, you gonna work out for today.
Nah, they don't.
Nah, this is bad.
I
Like,
won't pay them more than $20.
they would have charged you more.
That's horrible.
This is really like deep. Like my feet haven't even fully hit the floor.
I don't mind cleaning the walkway, but
It's crazy.
we have a 2-car garage way. It's too hard. Next time, if there's a next time, I'm not doing this. I'm paying somebody to do it. I'm sorry.
Okay. It's gonna pay someone to do it. He's sorry.
So you have to lip up and everything to come out here?
I don't want my lips to look all chapped on camera.
He said he don't want to
Got me some lip gloss.
Hey, boss. Hey, Bobo.
Boaz he don't like to stand up in the snow. He wouldn't move. Like, he just kept crying, but he would not move. He's Mommy. Oh my gosh.
Some of those things, if it's hard, you can't
It's not hard. It's gonna be turned into.
That's how
Bo.
What?
Bo, you have a throne. Bo. Bo. He does not understand snow. Do you have a throne? Okay. I'll pick you up. You got Chad and Bo on the step. Boaz is against the blizzard. Oh, well, he's better now. He's very upset. We got this dude, Jason,
Let me fix your hat. I don't want you
doing nothing.
What happened
Robbie Ann.
on the scene? Don't worry.
Then we got the Filipinas.
Where's Jason George?
I am.
I don't want you to get a frostbite. What's a frostbite? What's a frostbite?
Sister and brother love.
Bugger. That's what you did to me. That's what you get. You bugger.
Got Ben's wandering. That's it. That's it. Mercy. Lord.
I got you. Let me put down my phone. Cause
Huh? Boys don't want to leave the step, so. He just keeps saying mommy.
He's giving for mommy. He all asking for mommy. So give him mommy.
I think he's just saying mommy.
Not the door and ask him to come front.
I'm really smiling, but you can't see it.
I'm smiling and you can't see it. Yeah,
Oh, you can see it in
Boaz
my
does
eyes.
not want to be outside, guys. Stay. He's so cute.
Don't want to be out here. They're sending him in. Come get him.
He just sounds so sad. His little hands. He look like he got lobster claws.
While you're there, Sammy, you can't clean off the closet. I'd like to do something useful.
Daddy, I was doing it and then,
And stop.
Daddy, can you give me time to just
What?
work?
Try to clear the driveway. Look at me. See where Sammy is? If you can push it so all the way back over here. Into our lawn.
Jeez. America, I just want to play in the snow and relive my childhood days. I'll work later.
Be quiet.
Work later when?
What do you mean work later when? I'm not going inside this. I can stay out here longer.
If we're later than you haven't done anything, the balcony is yours. Why are you walking like that, son, Robbie?
Because Robbie's a fool.
So you can't get to me.
Yeah, get it, Chad.
Okay, chum. It's a fight you want.
Oh, man down. Go, Chad. Get it, get it. Whoa. Oh.
Hey, Boaz! Hey, Chum!
Bo! Can you see him? Hey, Bo.
Hey!
Ah!
I just feel like you have to clear past you to go into the street.
Oh yeah, that right there.
That's what I said. Push the snow over here.
Okay.
I don't think I can clear too far to the driveway.
No, it's literally for your car to go in and out.
Hey, Ben.
Hi.
What are you doing?
Digging out the snow of the car.
Nice.
But it's too steep.
It's too what?
Steep. It keeps on making us get away.
Mmm.
And we can't
It was so easy, you walk away so slowly.
Oh, I missed it, Nadia. Damn. You see Boaz banging out the window, Nadia?
Yo, Daddy, you see Boaz looking like he's trapped in the house? I don't know the last last time mommy came outside in the snow?
Get that nigga.
Let's do stunts.
It was too heavy.
Mean.
I got Sammy in the face though.
Ready? 1, 2.
Probably just don't break yourself, okay? 'Cause you know you're prone to danger.
Yeah. Want a snowball? What?
Don't y'all know I'm working on it.
Are you really, Nadia?
For the week.
That's sad.
You think that's sad?
Yeah?
Daddy needs to do that after.
What?
Make you move it.
That's poop.
I am. I'm gonna. That's what I want to.
Say you want a photo, but they don't even know. Every day.
Oh! Take that.
My head is freezing.
I'm sure it is. My head is in deep condition, y'all.
Holy.
I got a shower cap on. I got some.
She
oil
lying.
treatments. I'm not lying, people. My twist will be moisturized. Gotta do 2 things at once. Don't do it to yourself, Mr. Robbie.
She would have killed
Don't
me.
do it to yourself.
My hands are cold now. Because I'm not moving. How long do I have to hold this camera for, Nydia?
Ah, that's my water.
How long do I have to hold this camera for?
You can turn it off.
Oh.
Press
Oh.
the button.
He just want to
Press
frolic.
the big button.
Shut up. Next.
You hear me? Everybody has school tomorrow. Wow.
So y'all get them.
Listen, I want you to tell the camera why you recording other people.
America. Let me just state this.
Bernie Mac now?
Is it wrong for me, an 18-year-old in this prom, a kid at heart, just to have some fun? Look at all this snow. I want you to see all this snow. All of this. And I can't have fun. I can't throw
Lady folk working?
I can't throw some snowballs around. I can't play with my own brothers and sisters.
Mommy got you.
I can't. Look at this grumpy puss over here.
I'm grumpy.
Oh, this grumpy puss over here, all haggling me about work. It's about playing sometimes. You gotta play sometimes, man. Jeez. That's all I have to say, America. Thank you.
Y'all, we got mommy putting in that work, helping the neighbor out. Jason doing nothing. As usual. I'm joking. Jason was doing work. So guys, they got all that snow. We cleared out the steps, my door, got the car. We got a fort over there just for other people could be stay, having people come over into the street so daddy could pull out, and then now we helping the neighbor pull out his Jeep. He just need a little space, so. This is what we've been doing, working hard, not hardly working, you know, how it goes. Good Samaritan status. Let's do it like Jesus would. Why you hating? You hating because I'm funny? It's called vlogging, okay? People watch it so they'll laugh with you.
I bet they didn't laugh.
I bet you they did. Hater. Jason, you know I'm funny. He knows I'm funny. You be hating. And my glasses keeps falling off, so I just took them off. But yeah, we've been out here for a couple hours. We sent all the kids back inside because they were all pink in the face or red in the face and freezing. Yeah. So this is Blizzard 2015. Yeah. That's pretty much it. We cleaned up. And we all have school tomorrow. I have school tomorrow. My winter break is officially over. It ended with a snowstorm and now I have class tomorrow. So that's what it's gonna be. I'm ready. It's my last semester. Let's do this thing. Mommy's out here in pajama pants. Mama, you done? We good. We good. We almost done. Probably like 20 more minutes. Alright, I'm going back to work. I've been working. Look at my shovel. I've been working, y'all. Teamwork makes the dream work. Team not lazy. What else? Team girls can shovel. All that foolishness. Okay, bye for real. Till later. Or whatever. I don't know. I'll see you guys later. Bye.